Hello, friend. You've probably told yourself to let go again and again. You've journaled, you've reflected, you've tried to forgive. But somehow, your body doesn't get the memo. It's like your mind has moved on, but your shoulders, your jaw, your stomach, they're still carrying it. Why? Because the body doesn't obey thoughts. It responds to felt signals. You can't think your way into relaxation. You have to feel your way. We live in a world that worships the mind. We solve, we plan, we analyze. But the body speaks a different language, a wordless one. It only understands breath, sensation, touch, presence. Every time you suppress an emotion, your body contracts. You clench your teeth. You stiffen your spine. You hold your breath, not because you're weak, but because your body thinks, I'm not safe to feel this. And when the body feels unsafe, no amount of positive thinking will open it. But if thinking isn't enough, what does the body really need? Let's explore that. The body doesn't respond to commands. It responds to conditions, to safety, to signals that say, you're okay now. That's why meditation is often misunderstood. Most people treat it like a task. Let me fix my mind. Let me fix my body. But meditation isn't about fixing. It's about giving your body permission to soften. And safety? It's not built in one session. It's built breath by breath, moment by moment, with tiny experiences that whisper, you're allowed to relax now. So how do we start teaching the body that it's safe? Not with more thoughts, but with experience. Let me show you. Let's try something simple together right now. Take a soft, easy breath. No need to force it deep. Just gentle. Now, if you can, close your eyes. Bring your attention to your shoulders without trying to change anything. Just notice. Are they heavy? Tight? Soft? Now, in your mind's eye, imagine your shoulders melting, as if they're made of ice under a warm sun. Stay there for a few seconds. Notice if anything shifts, even the smallest bit. That is the beginning of letting go, not by force, but by permission. You don't have to relax your whole body at once. Start with one part, one breath, one sensation. The body will respond when it feels ready, and your job is simply to listen. You see, letting go isn't a decision, it's a response. And the more you listen, the more your body remembers. It's okay to soften now. In the next episode, we're going even deeper. We'll explore how to rebuild your inner sense of safety, the kind of safety your body recognizes even when life feels uncertain. I'll share with you a practical toolkit to reconnect with your body's natural resilience and help you stop holding on without even trying. I'll meet you there. Until then, keep softening, one breath at a time. Blessings to you all. This is Inner Echoes. If this speaks to you, subscribe to my channel Inner Echoes. Let's explore life through the lens of the soul. Let's walk the darkness with awareness and return to love together.